Dion is going out. Kunin lang natin yung bike niya. Magulo dito. Maraming gamit yung garage namin. So, hindi ko na lang ipapakita kasi nakakahiya. Wait a minute. Oh my God. Where is your helmet? Dion? Hi.
Bye.
Be careful, yeah? Why? Hello mga langga. Me and Dion are going to Inverness. Sasama kami sa kaibigan ko na si Jenjen. And may bibilhin ako kasi may aatinan ako na party. Wala akong susuotin. And then, since wala naman si Amo dito, nasa work siya, mamaya pa siya siguro mga half to. So, we are going early to Inverness. Palipas. Sabi kasi ng friend ko na susunduin kami before 9. So, ayan, ready na kami ni Dion.
Yeah, me and Emil went up there and helped. And we did it for like an hour.
Was there? Hi, mga langga! Oh, we're going to Inverness now. Ian is at the back.
If I'm being honest, I didn't mean to fall in love with you, with you, with you, with you. It just kinda happened, don't really know when. Just know that it's with you, with you, with you, with you. That's making me nervous, 'cause I'm thinking you noticed. Let me know if you change your mind, 'cause when all we do is talk, it's impossible not to fall a little bit in love. But tell me if I'm wrong, or if I'm the only one. 'Cause I would leave my love behind and keep on talking to you. I just need a second, so I can hear it saying, leave it all to stay with you, with you, with you, with you. I hate the distance, 'cause I'd rather listen, anything to talk to you, to you, to you, to you. That's making me nervous, 'cause I'm thinking you noticed. Let me know if you changed your mind, 'cause when all we do is talk, it's impossible not to fall a little bit in love. But tell me if I'm wrong, or if I'm the only one. 'Cause I believe
Is Kate.
Elevator or stimulator? I feel elevators.
Doors closing. Going
It's a
up.
fourth floor.
Asan next?
It's like the back rooms. It looks like the back rooms.
We're going to next?
Looking things.
Yes. Day, naman na to. Nag-sale ba yung tanit sila, Day? I almost gonna buy in online, yeah? Nag-sale dito? Pila, Day? Mahal ganda mga uso, Day. Good. We're looking for blouse.
The other side.
That's making me nervous, 'cause I'm thinking you noticed. Let me know if you change your mind. 'Cause when all we do is talk, it's impossible not to fall a little bit in love. But tell me if I'm wrong.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my palangga. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? Ayan yung mga cards ni Dion. Naman ma-clear. Yan yung galing sa amin. Sa friend ko, dun sa mga friends ni Dion. Yeah. So, magpahinga muna ako mga langga kasi lumabas si, migraine. Maglaro sana ako ng PS5. Pero later na lang.